Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix credential manager error 0x80070057 on Windows 10. So click on start, then type services, open services. Now in this list find out credential manager, double click on it. Now click on logon, click on this account, click on browse, type network service, click on check names, then click on OK. Now enter your password, confirm password, then click on apply. If you don't have your PC password, so blank, then apply. So you will see this network service has been granted the logon as a service right. Click on OK. The new logo name will not take effect until you stop and restart the service. Now click on OK. Now stop and start this service. Now close it and restart your PC. So hopefully guys, using this simple method you can fix credential manager error on Windows 10. Thanks for watching this video.